Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make plastic sleeves. First, gather your materials, including clear plastic sheets, a ruler, and a heat sealer or strong adhesive. Next, measure the item you want to protect, adding about 1/4 of an inch on all sides for a good fit. This ensures enough space for sealing without being too tight. For this project, clear plastic sheets are your main material. You can use laminating pouches, clear report covers, or even thick plastic bags. A heat sealer is ideal for a clean, durable seal, but strong double-sided tape or plastic-specific glue can also work. Don't forget sharp scissors and a ruler for precise cuts. Once your plastic is cut, place two pieces together, ensuring edges are perfectly aligned. Using your heat sealer, carefully seal 3 sides, leaving one side open to form a pocket. If using adhesive, apply it neatly along 3 edges. After inserting your document or item, seal the remaining open side to complete your custom sleeve. For added durability, consider using a thicker plastic sheet, perhaps 5mm or 7mm, especially for frequently handled items. You can also experiment with different textures or colors if your plastic allows, making your sleeves truly unique. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. This allows you to personalize your sleeves for various uses, from protecting photos to organizing small craft supplies, ensuring everything stays safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.